everyone, welcome to this KOSEN College of Technology Chemistry 2016, and we are now at Q11, the last question for 2016 chemistry. Now, there are 4 moles of acetic acid and it is reacted with 2 mole of ethanol was made to react at the constant temperature, and we say to calculate the amount of substance of ethyl acetate which is generated at the equilibrium situation, and it is known that the equilibrium constant is 4 and there is the constant of root of 192 which is 13.6. Now we should know that when you reacted acetic acid with alcohol, you will actually get ethyl acetate, right? Because when carboxylic acid and alcohol, you react it and it will become ester and also water. So this is called the esterification reaction. And now we just use the ice table, right, to determine the moles of ethyl acetate. Now, initially we have 4 moles of acetic acid, then we have 2 moles of alcohol, and of course this will have nothing initially. And then we ask to find what is the result, how much moles do we get in the equilibrium situation for ethyl acetate. Of course we didn't know how much mole or how much carboxylic acid is used here, alcohol here, to be resulted in what result. So let's say it is X, right? So let's say X moles of acetic acid reacted in this reaction, and because the coefficient of the compound is the same, right? It has 1 acetic acid and 1 alcohol, means that the moles is the same. So the equilibrium results into 4 minus X, 2 minus X, then X, then X. So this is minus, but this is plus. Okay. Now we know that the equilibrium constant for the reaction is 4. So if we know that the equilibrium constant is just the product over reactant, and we know that that is X and X, so X times X over 4 minus X times 2 minus X, and we know that this is equals to 4. So we just calculate the possibility for this reaction, which is X squared over, that is 8 plus X squared minus 6X equals 4. So that is equal to X squared equals 4X squared minus 24X plus 32. Then we just find it, 3X squared minus 24X plus 32. Now if we got what X is, we get the answer, right? So apparently we have to use the ABC formula. What I mean is, from 3x squared minus 24x plus 32, you should use this formula to find x, which is minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So this is a quadratic equation, right? So the general form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c. So we know that the b is minus 24, so minus 24 is 24 plus and minus, then this is 576 minus 4a, which is 3, and c 32 over 2a. So that is 24 plus or minus 576 minus 12 times 32, which is 384, which is 192 over 6. Okay, and now we got from the question that root of 192 is 13.86, so we just turn that into 13.86. This 24 plus or minus 13.86 per 6. Now, the symbol of plus minus here saying that the x could be two values, which is 24 minus 13.86 per 6 and x2 equals 24 plus 13.86 over 6. But we just refer to whichever the question appeared in the options. So we look at the option there. The highest value is 6, so I think we just use this, which is 24 minus 13.86, 10.14 over 6, right, which is 1.69 moles of ethyl acetate. Okay, so the answer is option 2. So that is everyone for College of Technology Chemistry 2016 from Q1 until Q11, and thank you for watching.